the Dwyer sisters. I am a guest! And we're all here together to celebrate Halloween. And to get in the Halloween mood, we're going to be drawing a pumpkin a backpack inside of it. Wow. Ha! This sure is some Halloween mood. And now, let's get started! Wicked black mood. We are going to be drawing with a black marker. You can draw with whatever you want except yellow. But other than that, we also need colors. And also paper. And also Halloween spirit. And also a nice ghost companion. So we have to put off our modern name. Everyone knows that.
So we'll draw a soda. Now, then do a triangle.
2 triangles to be exact. And then
do another triangle at the end of the eyes.
Yep. And then we're gonna
draw a curve on it.
A curve on what? The smile. Oh, but also we're just gonna color this in real quick.
Oh, that's how
With our black marker. This is the pumpkin's eyes and Halloween spirit. Okay, now what?
You have no tall smile, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now do another one and do, but not this time, just the way the straight one do on the box, but don't make the end of it.
What do you mean?
Like see.
Oh, I see. Or you could do this coming down. And now we're gonna color in his whole mouth except that tooth.
Won't take that long at all.
Woo! Don't you just love Halloween? I love Halloween. And I specifically love trick-or-treating. I'm going to be Evie from Descendants this year for Halloween.
I'm gonna be Audrey from Descendants. See?
Okay, let's get back to our drawing.
Now do box into it, back into it.
What is that?
That's his name, no stem.
His what?
His stem.
Stem? Oh, I'm gonna draw my stem a little differently and draw like just sparks, like boo and okay. We can finish up them at the end if you're doing them, but okay. Anyway, now let's get to our black cat.
Now we'll do a niner. Do a carve into the line.
Let me see that. Uh-huh. And then we're
done. Do another carve.
On what side? Oh, I see.
Now do a curve.
Floating in space. You keep saying a curve. Yeah, so. I better know what the next step's gonna be. A curve!
Now, the next step's gonna be a line down. And then do a spooky eye. And do a 9 over here instead of 9.
Yes. So 2 lines and then more lines that make them look like creepy, scary eyes. And then let's draw its mouth.
So do
So do what?
And write a smile. And put chase on it. And now do 9s in it. Do 9. Now do 9s across it.
Ha ha ha.
Now let's do triangles in the ears. Fine, in the paws. You don't have to do this, Papa. I want draw an electric bow at the top.
I'm not going to do that part, but you can. Okay, and then we can just draw this little part that we're going to be coloring in pink. And now let's just color in.
Now, color in.
Except some specific parts that you don't see us coloring in. We're not gonna color just yet. We are just coloring in. We like to color in the stuff that's black with our marker before it's actually coloring time because it gets a VIP treatment in drawing. Have you ever attended the Academy of Drawing Arts? Because I know this black, it's weird. It looks a little like green almost.
I know.
Like, have you ever attended the Academy of Drawing Arts? Because the Academy of Drawing Arts is what we're trying to make our channel. Like, you draw all different things there, and we are just trying to teach you how to become the best artist ever. Isn't that fun, Katie, to just teach people how to become the best artists ever?
I don't think what we're trying to do. We're trying to do is channel for fun because we want to. We knew said
Yes.
we knew said do it pretend. If
Yeah, that's good. We don't have to get into the whole backstory. Wacky. Please attend the Academy of Drawing Arts for us, and Mr. Ghost is very happy. And we will see you on the next
Art Season 1 of the